The coffee in this container stays hot because the walls of the container are insulated. This prevents heat loss. Preventing heat loss is the key to an efficient water heating system in your home. We heated this coffee early this morning. It's just as hot now as it was then. And just as bad.
A typical hot water heater is very much like an insulated beverage container. It has two walls, an inner tank wall and an outer wall. The two are separated by an air space or by insulation. The unit is fed by a cold water inlet. Two heating elements warm the water to a preset temperature. The heated water then leaves through an outlet pipe and travels to the kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room. Heat loss occurs as water travels through pipes to its destination. It also occurs as water remains in the tank, waiting to be distributed.
You can cut down substantially on heat loss by installing a water heater blanket. They are inexpensive and easy to install yourself. You'll find them at your local hardware store or home improvement center. Adding a water heater blanket will pay for itself generally in less than a year and will continue to pay you back over many years.
Wish I could say the same for my brother-in-law.
Newer water heaters have their own built-in insulation and don't need a blanket. In fact, adding a blanket to a newer unit could void the warranty. Contact the manufacturer to be sure.
As an added measure, add pipe insulation to the pipes that enter and leave the water heater. Wrap them right up to the point where they meet the wall. If your hot water travels through accessible areas, such as a crawl space beneath the floor, you can save extra money by wrapping those pipes as well. Lowering the temperature setting on your hot water heater can also save you money.
If your home has an automatic dishwasher, check to see if it has a temperature sensor feature. If so, then set your water heater to 120 degrees, the low setting on most gas models. Your dishwasher will automatically heat the wash water to 140 degrees, the temperature needed for sterilizing dishes and utensils. Some older dishwashers lack a temperature sensor. If yours is one of those, then set your water heater to 140 degrees. Never set your water heater higher than 140 degrees, otherwise scalding may occur.
Well, that's a word to the wise. Protect yourself and your family from third-degree burns.
For homes without a dishwasher, 120 degrees is the recommended setting.
Standard electric water heaters have two heating elements, one near the top and one near the bottom. Each is controlled by its own thermostat. For efficiency's sake, set each thermostat to the same temperature reading.
If you have an electric hot water heater, always shut off the breaker switch before adjusting the two thermostats.
Hot water can account for as much as 25% of your total energy costs, and much of that goes to showers. Some shower heads use about 5 or more gallons of water per minute. Replacing those old shower heads with new, low-flow shower heads will reduce the amount of water you use to shower to about 2 gallons or less without reducing your level of comfort in the shower.
Cut the cost without cutting your shower time. Ooh, I like the sound of that, baby.
A low-flow shower head is inexpensive and can easily pay for itself in less than a year. Also, keep an eye out for dripping faucets. They represent money down the drain, literally, especially if it's a warm water drip.
While most homes have tank-style water heaters, some newer homes are equipped with tankless on-demand water heaters. These are more expensive to buy than standard water heaters, but are less expensive to run and deliver warm water almost immediately, so you don't have to wait. And since you're not paying to store hot water as you would with a standard water heater, the savings are constant. On-demand water heaters come in electric and gas versions.
Other available types of water heating systems include passive solar and active solar types. Both types use energy gathered from the sun.
A well-planned solar water heating system can be added to homes with exposure to sunlight on the southern and western sides. With proper maintenance, these systems provide years of reliable service.
When choosing a replacement hot water heater for your home, select the type that's most efficient for your particular energy source, electricity or gas.
I like my showers warm and my coffee hot. And with proper measures like insulation, I can have both and save money, too.